Hello there, my name's Tracy Elsom and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in Canada, and welcome to my Papercraft with Me YouTube channel. Today I have a very quick technique video for you, and you can see the technique here on this card that I created for the World Autism Awareness blog hop that I'm taking part in today. And the technique is this one. It's creating this water effect, and I just wanted to show you very quickly how I did it. So it actually uses two stamps. One is this big, very abstract stamp there from the Waterfront stamp set, and the other one is this water effect there from the High Tide stamp set. So there we are, there's my two images. And this technique is called the kissing technique, and you will see why in a second. So we have this image, and I want to use it as the base colour for my water. So I'm just going to ink this up with Pool Party ink. So there it is. Now I could stamp it down and then I could stamp this one over the top. But what would happen is it would overlap these gaps in between. It would obviously, because one stamp is bigger than the other. So with the kissing technique, what you do is you take a second stamp, and if I lay it down on here, you should be able to see what's happening. So you can just see a very light Pool Party shadow there, a little bit of colour, and I'm just going to stamp directly onto the stamp. And this works with photopolymer stamps. It also works with the rubber stamps. So literally I'm inking up this patterned one and I am stamping down onto the other one there. And then when I stamp onto the card, I end up with my background colour and I end up with my water. So let's just do that again. I will clean off the stamps, especially this one because it's had two different colours on it. So again, colour it up with the lighter colour, pick up your pattern, and stamp. And there we have it. So you can do that with anything. I could have used flowers as the little pattern, whatever I wanted, but it worked for me to have the water. So there you are. That's how I created that. It's called the kissing technique, and it's a really easy one to try. So I hope you found that useful, and if you want to see some more information about how I made that card and also to follow along with the Autism blog hop, please visit my website and my blog at tracyelsom.stampinup.net, and also from there you can access my online store to get all the Stampin' Up products that I use to create that card. I hope to speak to you again soon. Bye!